In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. First, let's set the stage. In Microsoft Copilot Studio, an automating Copilot agent is driven by your words. You describe what it should do, it pulls in the right tools, and it learns from the data you provide. The clearer your intent, the better it performs. Start by articulating your agent's purpose in plain language. Think of a short mission statement that explains who it helps, what tasks it handles, and where its limits are. This becomes the anchor for everything else. Keep it action-oriented and specific, like help users complete routine web forms and answer policy questions using approved resources. As you refine the purpose, try a few example prompts so you can hear whether the scope sounds right. Next, add capabilities that enable real actions. If you want the agent to work across the web or desktop, enable the computer use capability, which is currently in preview. This feature lets the agent automate clicks, form fills, and navigation. Start with predictable, repeatable tasks on stable pages, and record clear, minimal steps. If something changes on a page, update the action rather than re-recording everything. Also, only capture what's necessary and avoid any sensitive content in your recordings, since the agent will replay exactly what you teach it. Then strengthen the agent's knowledge by integrating the right data sources. Connect files, internal knowledge bases, or public websites that you're allowed to use. Organize content so the agent can reference it reliably. Concise FAQs for quick lookups, longer documents for deeper answers, and clean links when you want it to cite the web. Remove outdated or duplicate material and prefer authoritative sources. If an answer seems vague, it usually means the source needs tightening or more context. Use natural language to define tasks and map them to tools. Describe the desired outcome, when to use which capability, and any guardrails in plain terms. For example, tell the agent to use computer use only after confirming the user's intent, and to rely on your connected documents for definitions and policy details. Keep instructions consistent with the purpose you set earlier. When you're happy with how it behaves, deploy the agent across the channels your audience uses, such as chat or web experiences. Publish, then try real-world prompts to confirm it responds clearly, performs actions reliably, and cites trusted sources. Iterate by adjusting the purpose statement, refining your instructions, or updating data sources. With a tight purpose, the right capabilities, well-curated data, and clear natural language guidance, your Copilot agent will be ready to automate with confidence.